I don't think they're going to run him out here, and that is brilliant.
Say that the helpers here are doing their very best to get around.
Top 5 rare moment in cricket ever. Number 5 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ.
Freddie delighted with the work of Brown and Ahmed, as he should be. 7 for 178 after 45. 2 overs of the bowling power play complete. A little look at the ball. Oops. Whoops.
What is going on there? That's the ball being bitten. I show you to Freddie to explain himself. There's the vision. That is extraordinary.
Woodley City. That may take some investigating.
Interesting.
ଆଉ ନମ୍ବର 4 ବହୁତ ମଜେଦାର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ. ଆଉ ନମ୍ବର 3 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ.
Odd shapes to the leg side, doesn't get it out of the middle. Really nasty incident.
Oh, goodness, I didn't see that. I was watching the ball. Got him.
The bat just flew out of Brad Hodges' hand and everyone's eye. So Neville's following the ball as you'd expect. Looks like it's hacked.
Of course, he was suffering from concussion the other night. We got hit on the head. I think so.
Let's take a very quick break. Hopefully Pete Neville's okay. 5 for 130.
ଆଉ ନମ୍ବର 2 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ.
To Azza. As his 50, Odia, we're going to have another rather substantial invasion.
There is a field and they're all going to wish Azhar a happy Diwali.
Azza is doing splendid in the wicket so that the crowd don't go onto the wicket and onto the boundary. The crowd are pursuing him. A chap there throwing himself at his feet.
Runs a little earlier, but this can be dangerous for the batsman because when they run into the ground and try and touch you or shake hands.
ଏବଂ ନମ୍ବର 1 ରେ ଯେଉଁଟା ଅଛି ତାହା ଦେଖିବାକୁ ହେଲେ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲଟିକୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରି ପାଖରେ ଥିବା ବେଲ୍ ନୋଟିଫିକେସନ୍କୁ ଅନ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟିକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ କରି ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତୁ, ଯାହାଫଳରେ ଆମେ ମୋଟିଭେଟ୍ ହେଇ ଏମିତିକା ଅନେକ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଆପଣ ପାଖକୁ ପହଞ୍ଚାଇ ପାରିବୁ। ଏବଂ ସେସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 1ଟି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
Brian has ended up on his feet. I don't think they're going to run him out here, and that is brilliant to see. But Brian, I've got goosebumps here in the commentary box because that's a touching moment. It was accidental. Could have run him out here, and Asif Sheikh has said no. He said he's not going to do it because of the spirit.